There's a lot of history hidden beneath the seas around our coast. The North Donegal coastline has yielded a piece of weaponry that the National Museum in Dublin regards as particularly unique. A cannon that's 414 years old and lay embedded in the seabed for 4 centuries. It was aboard the 4th biggest vessel in the Spanish Armada fleet, the 1,100-ton Trinidad Valencera, driven ashore and wrecked on September 12, 1588, as King Philip II of Spain attempted to invade England and dislodge Elizabeth I. He and his wife Mary Tudor, who'd been Queen, made Catholicism the state religion of England, but when she died, Elizabeth took over and restored the Protestant faith, and war ensued.
It would have been brought over as part of the Spanish Armada for the invasion of England, and it would have been to destroy the walls of fortified cities, such as, say, during the Siege of London, as would have been if the Armada had been successful. When the cannon was brought up, the metallic structure would have been impregnated with salt, and if it had just been left to dry out at that point, it would have been very unstable and it would have corroded a lot. So what we've done is we've used conservation treatments to wash the salt out of the metallic structure.
The conservation work took 18 months. Also on display is a smaller ship's cannon, a Pedrero, from another ship of the Armada, the Juliana. But it's the big siege cannon that might have changed the face of history that will attract most attention. Tom McSweeney, RTE News at the National Museum.